You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Two different ways of pronouncing this word. In British English it's said as litote, with a stress on the second syllable and a tote sound, litote. Now in American English in the US it's generally said as lighted, 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 or litote. For reference, in French it comes from French, it's said as litote, litote. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.